Hello students, in today's class, okay, so this is your class. So I have not taken the previous class, so I am uploading now, so please follow the classes. Okay, so in today's class we are going to discuss about, in the last class, in the previous class we have discussed about what is the role of marketing manager. Okay, so now we will discuss the topic, that is what is the nature of the marketing environment and what is marketing environment. Okay, what is the topic, what is the marketing environment and what is the importance of marketing environment. So what is this, how will be the marketing environment and what will be the importance of the marketing, that is we will discuss now. Marketing environment. Marketing environment and what is the importance of marketing environment. Okay, so what is the importance of marketing environment and what is the nature and what is the importance of marketing. So basically marketing environment is what, it's always changing. Okay, it is not constant. So the marketing environment is going on changing and the marketing environment is ever changing. Okay, and the modem. Okay, so the marketers realize that environmental scaling would provide them with continuous interaction between the customers and the business. So marketing is what, it is a continuous interaction between the business and the customers. So the marketing managers can evolve marketing strategies to ensure effective and efficient goal achievement. So what is this? In marketing, what happens? The marketing managers can evolve marketing strategies. Okay, they can evolve marketing strategies to ensure effective and efficient goal achievement. So the environment of a business enterprise may be static or dynamic. Okay, it may be static or dynamic. So when the environment forces do not show a significant change, they are termed as stable or static environment. So the environment of the modern organization is what? Dynamic, because of the frequent changes. So in marketing, what will be the marketing environment? How will be the environment? Means it is dynamic and it is always changing. It is not constant. The marketing conditions will be, the marketing environment will be keep on changing. It is not, it is what? It is dynamic and it is not constant, and it is, nature is very much like it's dynamic. That is, and the environment changes according to the situation, according to the demand, according to the supply and according to the other things which are there in the business. So basically the marketing, okay, so basically the environment of a business enterprise may be static or dynamic. So the marketing environment surrounds and impacts upon the organization. So there are three key important points where marketing environment, namely macro environment and micro environment. So the micro environment includes suppliers that deals directly or indirectly, consumers and customers and other local stakeholders. So micro tends to suggest small, but this can be misleaded. So basically, what is the importance of marketing environment? Okay, what is the importance of marketing environment? Means importance of marketing environment is it creates an increased general awareness. Increased general awareness of environmental changes. Awareness of environmental changes. Changes on the part manager. Changes on the part manager. Okay, so that means it creates an increased general awareness of environmental changes on the part manager. And what is the importance of this marketing environment means it guides with greater effectiveness in matters relating to government. Okay, it guides the greater effectiveness in matter relating to government. It guides with greater effectiveness. With greater effectiveness. Greater effectiveness in matters relating to government. It helps in marketing analysis. It helps in marketing analysis, and it suggests improved in diversification and resources allocation. It suggests improvement in improvements in diversification and resource allocation. So first one is point, what is the importance of this marketing environment is it creates an increased general awareness of environmental changes on the part manager. That means it shows what is the changes which is going on in the market, and also the general awareness about the environmental changes in the market, as well as it guides with greater effectiveness in matter relating to government. Okay, and also it helps in marketing analysis. That means it will help you to know about, to analyze the markets, analyze the marketing conditions, and also it helps to analyze the conditions in the market. So it suggests improvement in diversification and resource allocation. Okay, it suggests improvement in diversification and resource allocation. And the other point, okay, the other point is okay, so the other point is it helps the companies to identify and